Intense thunderstorm lashed coastal area in and around Chennai on Sunday night, with further storm expected over many places of Tamil Nadu on June 19 as well. In what could be the first widespread heavy rainfall in Chennai, the southwest monsoon it provided a reprieve to several areas after a fortnight of sweltering heat in the city and surrounding districts. Chennai woke up to heavy rain and thunderstorm on Monday, leaving to government declaring holiday for schools in Chennai, Kanchipuram, Chengalpattu, Vellore, Ranipet, and Tiruvallur. The cyclonic circulation over southwest Bay of Bengal triggered intense collective cells, causing intense thunderstorm over many coastal areas. Meena received heavy rainfall of 14 centimeters of rainfall till 5:30 am on Monday. Automatic rain gauges in Taramani and Nandam recorded nearly 12 centimeters of rain, followed by Chembarakkam with 11 centimeters of rain, while Nungambakkam received 6 centimeters of rain and West Tambaram 8 centimeters. Various ARGs too registered moderate rainfalls. Overnight rains had brought considerable inflow into Cherambakkam Reservoir that feeds city water supply. It had received nearly 921 cusecs as rainfall run up till 6 am on Monday. Moderate rain with thunderstorm may continue till Tuesday. The meteorological department had predicted isolated heavy rains in 13 districts including Kanchipuram, Chengalpattu, Kudalur, Tiruchi and Perambur till Tuesday. The department has issued warning on expected impact including road blockage, waterlogged in low-level areas and falling of tree branches. The district collector of Chennai, Kanchipuram, Tiruvallur, Vellore, Panipet and Chengalpet have declared a holiday for schools in the region. Meanwhile, Class 12 supplementary exams will be held as